Let's create a shorts from scratch. I start by searching online for a sewing pattern to create the base shape. I then go into Clo and add an avatar. Click on the surface and lower the skin offset to 0.2 millimeters so the garment sits close to the body. I also create a material for it in Clo3D. It's probably a polyester, taffeta or something similar, and it's a light material. Apply and close, and now I can import my sewing pattern as a background image, scale it up to fit my avatar and put the opacity to 100%. Also, if you don't want to see the 2D grid, you can switch it off in the grid properties. Let's start drawing with the polygon tool around the outlines to create the base pattern for front and back. Then I use the Edit Curve Point tool, it's V on the keyboard, to create curve points and edit curvature of my pattern. Always check the 180 degrees on segment points and corners to have a nice flow of edges when you sew the garment together later. Next, I create the pattern for the elastic waistband, and I create half of it first in my 42.5 centimeters with a height of 4.5 centimeters. The upper layer will be 125 centimeters, so I create half of the width. I can now remove the background image and create symmetrical pattern pieces to get 2 front and 2 back parts. I also unfold the waistband with symmetric editing and sewing, so I only have to apply changes in sewing to one half and it will be automatically done on the other half. Now I need an elastic material for the waistband, which I can find in the library, and I apply it to the smaller waistband part. I create internal lines for the sewing. I want 2 lines and a distance of 1.25 centimeters. You can choose something else depending on what kind of look you want to create. With the arrangement points, I place the pattern pieces on the avatar where they should be, and as you can see, the symmetric pieces will be placed automatically. Place the waistband too, and now it's time to sew every piece together to create the shorts. Again, all the sewing is done symmetrical, which saves me a lot of time because I don't have to do it twice. I simulate, and yeah, the upper waistband part went under the elastic, so let's move it up and superimpose it over. I see, I forgot some sewing, so I have to do that now. Simulate again, and yeah, that's the base shape of the shorts, and I can now work on some refinements and details.